Good morning. Well, I am up. I've been up a little while, but I've been running around doing things, trying to get things ready for this morning. Um, I am going walking this morning. I'm getting ready to drink my breakfast. I'm making it now. And as soon as I get through drinking my breakfast, then we'll be out for the walk in the chat. So I'll see you in a bit. Oh, good morning, everybody. I am remembering equipment that I have in the house. Now I'm trying to get out here before my day starts with taking my husband to the doctor this morning. For those of you who don't know, he has a artificial knee, and somehow or another he broke the bone above the knee where it's connected. So we have to go see the doctor again today to set a surgery date. Now the issue with that is he was supposed to have surgery on, what was that, Memorial Day, but the heart doctor wanted to see if he had any blockage. Well, he went in for that, and when he come out and was in recovery, he had a light stroke. So now the doctor is hesitant on repairing the knee. But anyway, I'm out here this morning. It's hot. Now I'm trying to get out here before it gets up in the upper 90s today. It's supposed to be 96, 97 today. So I'm trying to get out here before it gets that. I'm a little late because I was upset with myself. You know, when you buy equipment and stuff to use for YouTube and then you forget you have it. Yeah. I was watching somebody do a vlog the other day when they were walking and realized that they had the hand tripod. Well, I have a small one and I have one that's a little bigger than this one. And I'm like, duh, Stephanie, why haven't you been carrying your tripod? Who knows? So I got my tripod. I also have that thing that I bought that time to put on my neck. So I'm trying this tripod today, and then I'm going to try the thing that goes on my neck to see how that goes. I think the thing that goes on my neck, now here comes this, you know them little bitty dogs that think they bigger than the big dogs? Here come one. Right there. See him on the sidewalk? Sometimes those little dogs think they're bigger than the big dogs and they try to come at you. But I have my stick. Anyway, I'm going to try the neck tripod tomorrow to see how that does. Well, hopefully tomorrow, because that doctor that we're going to see today does surgeries on Tuesdays. And it could be a possibility that he does my husband's surgery tomorrow. So we shall see how Tuesday goes. But I want to get out here and get some steps in, get me moving, get that blood pumping, and playing. Big plane. But I want to get out here and get my steps in and do this intentionally, health-wise. I want to get, I'm down 42. I want to get down more. I want to get down at least, I want to say 60, 65 more pounds. And I'll be happy. Somebody suggested that I get well, I'm a top-heavy girl. I've always been a top-heavy girl. And somebody suggested that I go get a reduction. Well, no. Well, the reason why, one is a keloid. Now, if you don't know what keloids are, I don't get them all the time, I put it that way. My mom keloid for everything. But I get them every now and then, depends on what it is, right? So, I keloid, and I'm not really interested in getting my breasts reduced. They've been with me all this lovely time, and I don't think I want to do that. I had a cousin get a reduction, and they're just about back to the size they were before she had them reduced. So I don't think I want to do that. But let me show y'all my view of where I'm headed. Now here am I walking, and if you could see way up there is a red light. Let me stop so you can see it. See the red light? Okay, that's the red. Now my goal right now is to get to the red light, and once I get there, turn and go down, I want to say maybe 2-3 blocks, and then turn around and come back. I'm trying to get back up to where I was before, and this walking is good for me. Good morning. As you see, today is trash day too, so trash cans are everywhere. I took my allergy pills, so these trees that I'm passing won't affect me as much as they would if I hadn't taken my allergy pill. Y'all, I'm really trying with this weight thing and not procrastinating. My sweat vest is actually in the dryer, and I'm going to try it tomorrow if all goes well. I'm going to try it tomorrow and see how it works tomorrow. I know my body holds heat, so that could be the issue of why I got sunburned on my back, because my body holds heat really bad. So we shall see when I put it on tomorrow how that goes. Now I'm walking. Why? It's a semi truck coming up this street. Why? There's no store over here. Unless it's a delivery truck. Who knows, right? Well, guys, I'm gonna let you go. This morning was a refresher. It's a little muggy, like it wants to rain and it wants to be hot at the same time. Okay, she's not looking at all. She's just going. Just hopped in and just start bagging out. You're supposed to look when you bag out. Just because you're bagging out your driveway don't mean that people automatically stop. Where do some people get their driver's license from? So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. If you want to see more, click on the videos listed below and you be blessed.